Gone are the days of the simple wooden box in the backyard. Today's doghouses are a blend of comfort, style, and practicality, designed to complement your home's aesthetic while providing a cozy retreat for your canine companion. Modern doghouse designs don't have to be expensive to look great. The key is to focus on clean lines and simple shapes that can be easily customized to match your surroundings. A basic A-frame or cube-shaped structure can be transformed with a coat of paint to blend seamlessly with your backyard aesthetic. Consider using exterior paint in colors that complement your home or garden. For a rustic look, try a natural wood stain. For a more contemporary feel, opt for bold, solid colors or even geometric patterns. The foundation of a great doghouse is its structure. Use weather-resistant materials like treated wood, plastic, or even recycled materials for longevity. Ensure the base is raised slightly off the ground to prevent moisture seepage. Insulation is crucial for keeping your dog comfortable in all seasons. Use insulation between the outer walls and inner lining to regulate temperature. In hot climates, consider adding a reflective barrier on the roof to deflect heat. When designing a modern doghouse, incorporating windows is crucial. Dogs have a natural instinct for vigilance and prefer to be aware of their surroundings. A well-designed doghouse should allow them to observe their environment without feeling isolated. Consider installing at least one glass or plexiglass wall in your dog's house. This transparency offers your pet the ability to keep watch from any position, even when resting. It's an essential feature that caters to your dog's instinctual needs while providing them with a comfortable and secure space. One innovative feature gaining popularity is the magnetic door. This clever design allows your dog to enter and exit freely. Magnetic doors are less likely to be blown open by strong winds, ensuring your dog's space remains protected. Finally, consider adding some handy features to make your doghouse mobile. Install sturdy handles on either side for easy lifting and moving. This mobility is particularly useful for adjusting the house's position with the changing seasons or when landscaping your yard. More exciting designs are on the horizon for every structure you need in your garden. From stylish sheds to charming chicken coops, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our upcoming innovative and practical building ideas.